Fearful signs are happening all over the world. But people of this generation, they don't care. They don't know the sign. They don't know the meaning of this fearful sign. Scientists may call it, scientists may give it a name. People of this generation, they don't care about all this fearful sign that is happening all over the world. Every day by day, sad news on this earth. Every day, sad news. Tsunami, flood, earthquake, many sicknesses are coming out. Every day, fearful sign. Every day, fearful sign in this world. But the people of this generation, they don't care. They don't care. They don't know what is happening. They don't know the sign. They are now familiar with the fearful sign. And this is the hour of the Messiah will come. This is the hour of Jesus Christ of Nazareth will come. This is the hour the King of Kings will come. This is the hour the Messiah will come. Because right now, majority of Christians, those fearful signs are not touching them for them to prepare themselves, know that we are living the last day. Because this fearful sign will be one of the signs. This fearful sign will be one of the things, one of the signs that will make some Christians know that the prophecy in the scripture are coming to pass, so that they will prepare themselves. But right now, nobody care. Fearful sign will be happening. People will living in sin. That is what happened in the time of Noah. When God destroyed this earth in the time of Noah. That is what happened in the time of Noah. Because Jesus said, there shall be famine, hungry. Economic will go down when that time will come. Look at all over the world. During the lockdown, there was famine all over the world. Economic are going down. Messiah is coming very soon. Jesus is coming very soon. Give your life to Christ and be saved. Give your life to Christ and be saved. Jesus is coming very soon. All these fearful signs that we are seeing on this world, this is the sign of the coming of the Master. This is the sign of the coming of Jesus, the King of the Kings, the Lion of tribe of Judah. He's coming very soon.